this is how you create a blog website using Wix. So here you can choose any topic that you want. Then you can choose any template, or you can also customize your own website. So here are the templates that you can use, or you can also customize if you want. So let's choose this. So here is an example of a blog website that is already designed. So you can still design it the way you want. You can modify it, you can change some text and of course the content. So here you have a lot of elements that you can add. And of course you can also edit the menu. So you can put sub pages that will connect to that one. Then of course the theme, the color theme, you can choose it on the site design theme. Then you also have the My Business section, and at the end of the website you can put your socials there, and then let's see the preview of your blog. So that is what it will look like, and then that's it. You just have to customize it a little bit, and then of course the content is yours. So that is how I made a blog website. I hope that by watching this video you already have a blog website. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks!